For the third part of this tutorial, I will go over how to fingerpick Elton John's version Can You Feel the Love Tonight. The fingerpicking pattern that I'll be using is 4, 1, 2, 3, and you do that twice. It sounds like this. Now, there are many different patterns that you can potentially use for the song. I would recommend that you experiment with maybe 2 or 3 other ones that you know to see if you can find a better fit for the song. It's really up to the player how he or she interprets the song. However, one helpful tip that I can offer when you're selecting a fingerpicking pattern is to always start on the same note as the key of the song. So the song is in the key of G, so I started out on the top string, which is also a G. Now, it's not a rule that you have to follow, but I find that it's helpful in guiding my selection. So let's get started. Now, verse 1 is very straightforward. Each chord gets 4 beats, so you're playing the 4, 1, 2, 3 times 2 once for every chord. It sounds like this. So verse 1 chord progressions are exactly the same in verse 2. The only difference is the lyrics. Now the chorus is where it gets a little bit tricky. There are some chords that are half as long and some chords that are twice as long. So just listen to see if you can identify those chords. So the chords that are half as long gets 2 beats each, and they are C, A7, A minor, and G. So for these chords, you're playing the 4, 1, 2, 3 just once. The D gets 8 beats each. So you're playing the 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 times. It sounds like this. So that takes care of the first 2 lines of the chorus. The last 2 lines are very similar. The only difference is at the very end. At the very end, only the A minor and the G are 2 beats each. It sounds like this. So that takes care of the entire song. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment or send me an email. So now I'll be playing with the metronome, so you have an idea of what it sounds like. And I'll be playing at 70 quarter notes for the first 2 lines of the chorus. So that's the end of the lesson, and keep practicing.